Okay, well this is what we're gonna make, and it's just a really easy paper airplane. And what you have to do is fold in these two corners like a sucky paper airplane, like I said last time, but just like that. And then what you have to do is fold in the side again, right along the same line. And I don't expect any of yours to be perfect, like mine isn't, if you can see. This side's too low and this side's too high. But it still will work. And then what you have to do is fold it in half and crease the bottom. And then you should have something that opens and shuts. And then to make the wings, all you have to do is fold the two wings down right on the line so it's halfway. And then you have your paper airplane. Just really normal, really easy. Okay? And then to throw it, all you have to do is throw it like a normal piece of paper, or a paper airplane. And then you throw it. And that's how you make I don't know what to call it, but a paper airplane.